Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Let's Encrypt DNS-01 challenge for VPS SSL automation, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Let's Encrypt using the DNS-01 challenge for VPS SSL automation, start by accessing your VPS. Connect to your server via SSH using your preferred terminal. Ensure that you have root privileges to make necessary changes. Install CertBot, the client recommended for interacting with Let's Encrypt. For most Debian-based systems, run the command sudo apt-get update followed by sudo apt-get install certbot. If you are using a different system, check the official certbot documentation for installation instructions. Next, choose your DNS provider that supports API access for DNS record management. Log into your DNS provider's dashboard and obtain your API key. You may need to review the documentation from your DNS provider to find the correct endpoints and methods for updating DNS records. With your API details in hand, you can now create a configuration file for certbot. Typically, this file will include your DNS provider's API information. Go back to your terminal and prepare to run the certbot command for DNS validation. Use the command sudo certbot certainly manual preferred challenges dnsd_yourdomain.com. Replace yourdomain.com with the actual domain name you want to secure. Certbot will ask you to create a TXT record for your domain to verify ownership. Follow the prompts to generate a TXT record. Immediately log into your DNS provider's dashboard. Create a new TXT record following the instructions provided by certbot. Make sure to enter the exact value that certbot provided. After creating the record, return to your terminal and press enter. Certbot will check for the DNS record. This step may take a few minutes, as DNS changes can take time to propagate. If the verification is successful, certbot will issue a certificate. Next, you will want to automate the renewal of your SSL certificates. Create a cron job that runs the certbot renewal command regularly. You can edit the crontab file by typing crontab e in the terminal. Add a new line to run the renewal command, such as 0*/12*. This schedule will check for certificate renewals every 12 hours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.